I think he accidentally honked the horn. He's riding my new MT03, which is really cool. Break it in for me. New chin mount, same camera for now. Had a little one, you can probably see all over Instagram. But the clip's not working right, so I just decided to turn it off and pocket it until I figure something else out. Woo! It's good to be out. Nice bike! Matches the visor. Oh, you're gonna get more attention than me, and it's my bike. Oh, I should have brought water. Oh well. Yeah. Ooh, brother. Oh, he waved. That was cool. Nice. That made my day. We are going down to cycle gear. It's been a minute since I've been able to ride. A lot of doctor's appointments, eye appointments, just playing catch up really. Everything's looking good so far, health-wise. My blood work, my potassium's low, which is weird, but I eat more bananas. Oh no. Oh hey. That was nice. What? Cool. Hopefully all the drivers behave themselves. But we're going to Portland, so who knows? It's nice to break it in though. She's so gorgeous. I'm not sitting in the middle of the intersection. Hey, I was not going to sit in the middle of the intersection. I was just glad that car was paying attention behind us. She's so pretty. What? Oh, it's an oven. I'm waving at him. I feel safe. Oh, the ambulance is turning. At least they waved. Speed patient student driver. Ever heard of a shoulder check? Yes, my camera is wide angle. I'm gonna stare in their side mirror. Ooh, just kidding. Yeah, as soon as they cut me off, I'm like, be patient, student driver. Okay. I'll just stare at them intensely. Yeah. Ooh! I didn't see it till you were there, but I think you waved at us. Nice. We'll see in my rear view camera. That shows. But that was cool. Getting used to the break-in. It's never gonna be just right for my side mirrors to work right. Oh well. Oh, it's the light screen, but it's gonna be 4 business days before we can go. Hey. I saw a pinky down. That's an interesting wave. Pinky down, surf's up. That's what it looked like. Oh, that looks so pretty out there. Ventura Park. No. I see you. Yeah. Lead the way. Yeah, you lead the way from here. I want to look at my bike.
You just want to see if it makes my butt look fast?
Always looks fast on that. And your bike. almost there. Yay! There she is. Let me look at these pretty bikes that aren't mine. I want to take Gleason home. My new gloves. My new gloves. Oh. Gonna go around the world to the left. Whoops. That was slippy. Oh, beautiful. I hear a wee woo. Where's it coming from? There it is. Temperature feels just right. Oh my goodness, it feels good out here. Feels very lovely. Yeah, when we were at the dealership getting Sean's bike serviced, because they had a recall part and they fixed it for him. It was a small thing. And we decided to buy that, the MT03. When I was there, apparently Honda Ruckuses are hard to come by now. They're not producing them or something, or they just can't get them. I don't know, but I'm glad I got mine when I did. I'm very thankful. Oh, it feels good going this way. Oh, it feels so good. Nice. Oh, guess he didn't want to turn there. That's okay. Well, hopefully the dealership will get some more Honda Ruckuses, and I want friends to ride with on this thing until I, can learn how to ride a real motorcycle. You waved. Do you want to go to Safeway?
Yeah.
Okay.
Buy, like something.
Okay.
I don't know what the hell I gotta buy, but I gotta buy something.
Okay, I'll follow you. Oh, that was too much. Yeah. Let's go home. Till next time, have a good one, y'all.